Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make frosty glass morphism under 2 minutes. In my last video, I showed you this kind of glass morphism, and today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of frosty glass morphism under 2 minutes. So let's start it. A frame, it can be any size. I'm going to choose any kind of frame. I'm choosing MacBook. Now I'm going to choose a background of it. I use plugin and brush. You can choose any kind of background, and make sure that background will be dark color. Otherwise, your glass morphism will look like a simple rectangle, quite simple rectangle. Okay, I'm going to choose the same background that I used in my last video. This one. Okay. Now I'm going to add a rectangle. It can be any size. I'm going to make it big so that you can understand properly, and I'm going to add the corner. This radius corner will be 30 or any kind of it. Now I'm going to make the changes of the opacity of this fill. I'm going to reduce this will be 10%. See, this is not so good, so I'm going to add the effect of it. I'm choosing the effect, get the effect, choose the background blur, and trying to make it 35%. Still, it's not so resemble, so make it more visible. I'm going to add here stroke. Choose the linear, change the color. It will be much white, both will be white, and I'm going to try this. This will be similar to, according to your light color of your background. For me, it's white, so I choose the white color and trying to make this wave, this kind of direction. Now I'm going to change the opacity of linear fill. It will be 50%. It will be good. I'm trying to raise the inside and stroke. If you choose the stroke of 3 or 2%, I think 2 would be good. To make it more, see the radius. To make it more visible, I need to add stroke 1. Again, I duplicate it, doing the same thing, choose the linear, change the color, and one thing I need to happen, because see, I'm going to change the direction of it according to the light of my background to make it more beautiful, and it looks so similar according to the light. I'm going to change the direction of it. I am going to reverse it, this. Now it looks so good, and going to reduce the opacity 10%. Going to add some 3D balls to make it more beautiful. Going to duplicate it. This is your frosty glass morphism. I hope you like it most.